Welcome to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. My name is Shan, and I'm a self-taught chef who's here to make your transition to adapting a plant-based diet a lot easier. Join me as I make easy and delicious meals. I'll show you some product reviews, what it's like to be a traveling vegan, and also how to use plant-based substitutes. Sometimes I will feature my 2-year-old daughter who also eats a plant-based diet. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my great content. I hope you stay around, and I look forward to interacting with you. Don't forget, plants are fuel. Hey you guys, so in today's video I wanted to bring together plant-based food and fine dining. You always see plant-based junk food, plant-based comfort food, and then you have your healthier meals like salads and Buddha bowls. So today I just wanted to do something that was more on the elegant side of eating. So that is where I came up with this idea. So starting off, we're going to start making our herb and garlic butter mashed potatoes. Here I have just roasted some garlic and about 4 tablespoons of butter on really low heat, and then I added in my herbs. And now I am going to add in my potatoes, and I'm going to put them through this machine just so they become really smooth and creamy. I'm going to go ahead and add in some vegan heavy cream. This is by the brand Oatly, and this is just going to make our mashed potatoes super creamy. Guys, don't forget that all the ingredients that I use and the amounts that I use will be linked down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out after you've watched this video. And I'm just going to continue to mix these up until I feel like I have everything incorporated. And you do want to add salt and pepper to taste, just so it's to your liking. Our asparagus, I'm going to go ahead and add some butter and some olive oil to my pan and get that heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add in my asparagus that I have rinsed off and cut the ends off of, and I'm going to season those with some salt and pepper, give them a little shake so everything gets coated, and I'm going to let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Towards the end of the asparagus cooking, I went ahead and added in some cloves of garlic just to add in some extra flavor, and I'm also going to squeeze in some lemon juice. This step I did do the day before because I wanted my mushrooms to be able to marinate for a long period of time, but you can do this a couple of hours before you cook them, whatever you have time for. So I've started off by adding some garlic and shallots to my bowl. I'm also going to add in some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and some soy mushroom sauce. I'm also going to go ahead and season it with a little all-purpose seasoning and just give it a really good mix with my hands. And then I'm going to cover them and put them in a container and set them aside. olive oil to my pan and let that get melted and all warmed up. And here's what the portobello mushrooms look like after they've been marinated overnight. Do not throw away the juice. We're going to use that for a sauce later on in the dish. And I'm just going to place those mushrooms inside the pan and let them get a good sear on both sides. And once I flip them over to the other side, I do go ahead and place a top on top of the mushrooms and push them down, just so they're a little bit thinner, because portobello mushrooms are usually super thick. This is also going to help you get a good sear on your mushrooms. And here's what the mushrooms look like after they've been seared on both sides and are fully cooked. And I'm just going to remove them from the pan. Remember, I told you guys to save your marinade because now we're going to make a reduction sauce. So you just want to go ahead and pour your marinade into your saucepan and just continue to mix it until it gets thicker. Finish, you should have something that looks like this, and you want to go ahead and strain it, and that way you're left with a really smooth sauce. And you guys, this is the final meal. Definitely brought together plant-based and fine dining. This meal was really delicious, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.